What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over how you can trade Bitcoin in the stock market. So I haven't made a cryptocurrency video in a long time, and usually I make videos with the stock market. If you guys have been following me for a while, or if you're new, I usually just make swing trading, day trading, and long-term investing videos on this particular channel with some Amazon FBA and entrepreneurship overall. So if you guys are interested in that and you're new, feel free to subscribe, and let's just talk about quickly how you can trade Bitcoin in the stock market. So pretty much, if you guys have been paying attention to the cryptocurrency markets recently, that we've been in a bull run for the past 2 to 3, 4 weeks. We see that Bitcoin here bottomed off at 6,800, and I believe a couple of months ago that was actually the same resistance level where it was actually able to bounce up at. So here we see, yeah, about 6,600 is a valid resist or support level rather for Bitcoin itself, and from there we saw it bounce there again at 6,600, and we've seen a bull run from there. So during this bull run, I've been personally trading Bitcoin in the stock market. So you can either trade it in the stock market, which I'm about to show you how, or you can make a Coinbase account or a Binance account or whatever other cryptocurrency trading platforms you want to actually trade Bitcoin on. But personally, I've been trading it in the stock market, and I'm going to show you guys what I've been trading these past couple of weeks. So we can trade Bitcoin in the stock market via this particular ticker symbol, GBTC. This is the Bitcoin Investment Trust, and we can see when Bitcoin topped off at about $20,000 a couple of months ago, Bitcoin Investment Trust hit $38 when it bottomed off at that $6,500 support level that I was talking to you guys about before. It bottomed off here at $9.45. So pretty much this particular trust follows the exact movements of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going up, which it has been the past couple of weeks, as we can see from this big hike up right here, this particular trust is going up in price as well. So pretty much, I just wanted to show you guys how you can trade this in the stock market, because I know a bunch of people out there are confused on how Bitcoin works, are confused on how you can trade it on Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, all these different kinds of platforms. So it's pretty much simpler, in my personal opinion, to trade it on the stock market, in the stock market, if you're already familiar with the stock market itself. So pretty much that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. We do see that the Bitcoin Investment Trust has been offering some nice plays as Bitcoin itself has been volatile these past couple of weeks. So if you were able to get in, let's say here at about $10,000 or $10 as Bitcoin dropped down to 6,500 again, and it was able to bounce at that price point again, and you were holding it up until now, you would be able to make about 37% profit on your particular position, or however much your position of money was for that particular trade, right? So I've been just pretty much hopping in and out of this according to the trends of Bitcoin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video. I know it was a quick little video, but I just wanted to upload something for you guys on Monday. So if you did enjoy it, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram down below in the description if you guys want to follow me and see all my profits, see, posts about my channel, entrepreneurship ventures, anything dealing with my personal life, and just updates on the channel in general. Link down below in the description. Hopefully everybody is out there killing it, killing what they're doing, killing what they're working hard at. Let's make some money today. Peace.